Good morning, Dave King here from Affiliate Marketing BizOps, and I want to come on today just to tell you a little bit about my story with the Uplevel Affiliate Marketing Program with Andy Mattis. Um, I started this journey really looking back about 13 years ago, and I went from, you name it, drop shipping, book flipping. I did Shopify sites, I did eBay, I did everything. None of it worked. Got bored after 3 months. I had no guidance. I tried to go it alone, and I think pretty much we all know that doesn't work. I was coming up to 50. I was 50 this April, and last year I made a decision that I wanted to find someone who could take me by the hand and show me exactly what to do. I needed to get out the 9 to 5. It was a lifelong dream of having my own business online, something that was going to work and bring me in money. And obviously, turning 50, I had to do it. I felt I had to do it. I looked at a few things. I found there was a lot of fluff, a lot of BS out there, a lot of $7 courses where you join them. You do like 15 2-week courses, and at the end of it there's a big upgrade. Then you find out you're still not getting the support until you upgrade again, and eventually it was about 9,500 if you're going to get any sort of guidance that I wanted. I wanted I wanted a one-off payment, someone who's going to show me over the shoulder what to do, how to do it, strategies. And I didn't want to muck about with upgrade. I wanted to find something that's going to show me. And I came across Andy and chatted with him about it. I had a good look at the case study. It resonated with me. Totally trusting. He's a good lad. And then I couldn't afford it really at the time, but I put it on a credit card and joined up to the UAM program. And I haven't looked back. I'm now 5 months into the program. I couldn't believe the support I got off Andy. I mean, it's second to none. You get group support, with the other members of the team. We work together as a team, but arguably, I would say the best support system and training you can get, your sales training, your chat messenger, your packaging and messaging. It's just all in there. And I know Andy's now working on the UAM too, which is going to be even more fantastic. It's brilliant at the minute, but he's just bringing value. Within the last 5 months, I made my first sale 8 weeks to the day that I started the program, first 4-figure sale. And I've made multiple sales since. And I have finally, within 4 months, I left my 9 to 5. And this is full time. This is the life of freedom that I've always wanted. And I would not have done this without the UAM course, Andy's training, Andy's guidance, Andy's support, and the support of the team that we have. It's just second to none. No BS about it. There's no fluff about it. If you are serious, properly serious about investing in an online course, and you want to learn high ticket affiliate market and make a business of it. It's not going to happen overnight. You have to put the work in, but it has, with that action taking and mindset that I was taught, I did take action, and it has worked unbelievably for me. There's some great bonuses Andy's got in there, and as I say, he's upgrading the system all the time. And the thing is, I haven't paid 1 penny more for any upgrades, any more training, anything that Andy has put into the program. All I've got is value. So I would like to say a massive thank you to Andy. He's changed my life, basically. I'd still, if I'd have left it, I would have just gone from shiny object. I probably would have given up the goat and realised that I couldn't do it. It's because I had the right training. It's a long journey on your own. You need support. So I will give 110 out of 100 for the course, and thoroughly recommend the UAM system. Many thanks.